we have Sushmendra Khurel, a student of Ahuja Career Institute since past 2 years. In this year's JEE's result, he has performed exceptionally and he has scored his seat in IIT Jammu. Let's interact with Sushmendra and get to know him better. Welcome Sushmendra, congratulations on your result. सबसे पहले आप हमारे viewers के साथ अपना result share कीजिए.
I got a rank of 3007 in JEE Advanced and I've secured admission in IIT Jammu.
IIT Jammu, of course, IIT is a big deal. When you start your preparation to JEE, your ultimate goal is to end up in IIT, and it actually happened. What was your reaction when you first saw your results? How did your family react?
When I saw the result, I was away from home. For a moment, I did not believe my eyes. Though I had faith in myself that I'm going to make it, but it was a dream come true for me. When I reached home and told my parents regarding it, it was tears and cheers in my family. And in our country, you know, when the journey is not about the student alone, it's the whole family.
The whole family.
Your whole family runs with you in this marathon, and JEE preparation is not a sprint; it's a marathon.
That's true.
And it was cheers and tears. My whole family, my mom, my dad, my brother, my sister-in-law, and everybody, means it was a different level of happiness.
So, how has your family contributed to your result? As you've already said, family is the main backbone here. How has your family been there for you?
They were there for me at each and every stages of my life. It is a 2-year journey, and you always not secure a good marks in every test. Sometimes you get low score, sometimes you get high score. They were with me when I used to score low, and whenever I used to feel a bit of low, they were always there for me.
Securing IIT, of course, was not an easy job. So, what was your roadmap to this result? How did you prepare for things? What was your strategy?
I will share my strategy subject-wise. I will start with my favorite subject, which is maths. I studied maths with Ahuja sir in Ahuja Career Institute. He taught us the concepts well, and then my objective was to revise the things as many times I could, and it helped me in the later stages when it was pandemic and the exams were shifted.
Correct. In your case, yours was the batch which had to deal with the pandemic at the same time with the exams.
Yes, and it helped me because I had practiced the things 2 to 3 times earlier. Here, the management provided support very well. We were mini tests were taken on regular basis before the lecture, in which we were revised with the things which were taught in the previous lecture. So it helped to get the concepts which were going to be taught in the class.
Which means if today there has been a lecture, then tomorrow you'll have to give an exam of that lecture.
Yes, and okay. in that the students are quite sure that where they are lacking and which concepts they have to practice more. And here JEE lectures were conducted twice a week, and exam of JEE was also conducted, which helped me to find where I stand.
And how about managing boards and JEE together? Because it's a different struggle altogether.
Yes, my mainly focus was to get JEE. My study was JEE based, and I used to practice concepts, and I was means to master the concept. That if I learn the concept well, then it would help me in boards as well as JEE.
Correct.
And it was my main objective. Now sharing the strategy of physics. Physics was a subject which you cannot mug up. We have to understand the things, and we have to deal with it. So I, as soon as the teachers used to teach me the subject, next day I used to revise them, and again the mini test and everything the same concept. And NCERT is a Bible.
How would you suggest the viewers and the other students who are preparing to go by the NCERT? Because it's always said that reading NCERT is in itself an art. So how to go about that?
In physics, NCERT means you have to do the theory properly, and then you have the additional exercises, because mainly the physics part is asked from PYQs itself. So H.C. Verma was a book which I used to follow, and apart from NCRTs in physics, the role of NCRT is means not that much, and students cannot rely on NCRTs for physics.
So they need to refer to some additional sources as
additional
well.
sources.
Okay. And what about chemistry?
Chemistry I did not had upper hand on chemistry. For it I had to work hard. But chemistry in JEE mainly it is focused on NCRT, and I did not refer to any other book except for NCRT. I knew that what are my limitations and what are my maths was the part in which I focused more, and chemistry I understood that I have to work hard in that.
Yes.
So
maths was your strength basically, and chemistry you worked hard because you knew that you had to struggle with it.
Yes.
Okay. So, Sushmendra, when exactly did you start preparing for this exam?
I had pretty clear in my mind what I had to do. I started preparing for JEE since class 10 because according to me, before it, you need to focus on extracurriculars as well as sports apart from studies, because it helps you to grow as an individual and makes you ready to face challenges.
Yes.
As in my case, I had played cricket till district level, and
Wonderful.
I'm a district level cricket player, so it helped me to face the challenges. Like in JEE preparation, you have to be ready to face challenges, because it is not you don't get overnight success. You have to wait for 2 to 3 years for it is a long journey. And
so in long journey, you need to keep yourself motivated and be ready to face
the
any
challenges. And it pretty much helped me because I had faced challenges earlier. So I started preparing for JEE in class 10, and then in class 10 I somewhat did RD Sharma and maths related topics in class 10.
In advance only, whatever you could.
Whatever I could, I did in class 10. And then I continued my JEE preparation in class 11th and 12th from Ahuja Career Institute.
Okay, so we basically have a district level cricket player and an IITian sitting here. Lovely. Okay, the next thing we would like to know is that what has been your success mantra? You know, as you've said, it's a 2-year long journey. So at moments you're supposed to feel, you're bound to feel low. That you know, ab nahi ho raha, ya pata nahi hoga ki nahi hoga. Maybe after a bad test or something. What was your strategy to keep yourself pumped up? What mantra kept you going?
Here my family played a really important role, and they always made sure that I never feel low. Whenever I used to feel low, I just used to tell myself, everything work never comes easy.
That's true. Nothing work comes easy. Okay. And what message would you like to give to your juniors? How should they prepare? How should they go about this preparation?
My message to the juniors is that you have a mountain to climb, but you need to keep faith on yourself, because if you have faith in yourself and you balance the strategy and everything well, then you can make it. It's not a big deal.
It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. So what do you want to become? Ab IIT mein admission mil gaya hai. Now what do you want to actually become in life?
I would like to complete my BTech degree in material science from IIT Jammu, and then I would like to go for management studies, and I see myself as an entrepreneur.
Oh, you see yourself as an entrepreneur some years down the line. Very well. Okay, so again, Sushmendra, congratulations. You've done so well. Keep up this hard work, and may God be with you and bless you all the time. Thank you so much for joining us, Sushmendra.
Thank you.